Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 2. One of the most meaningful initiatives at AHLA is our commitment to supporting aspiring health law professionals. Through generous donations from our dedicated members, we continue to grow the endowment fund of the Michael F. Anthony Health Law Scholarship, which enables us to support more students each year and ensures that diverse perspectives continue to enrich our professional community. This scholarship embodies the collaborative camaraderie that defines AHLA, our members investing in the next generation of health law professionals. AHLA initially established the scholarship through the generous support of McDermott, Will, and Schulte, and many of their colleagues, with Eric Zimmerman playing a pivotal role in leading this effort. The scholarship stands as a testament to our association's commitment to fostering professional development opportunities for all who engage in health law, regardless of their career stage. In the spirit of our ongoing efforts to increase transparency and exclusivity, we accepted nominations and created a judging panel to review and evaluate the scholarship applications. The panel included a variety of voices and perspectives, and I would like to thank them at this time. Fatima Naim, Sarah Kitchell, William Spratt, Andrew Halstead, Vivian Obi Amalu, Ruben Bank, and Ari Markinson. To present this year's scholarship awards, I'm pleased to introduce Eric Zimmerman, AHLA Fellow and past president. Eric has been a passionate advocate for supporting the next generation of health law professionals, and we're excited for him to recognize this year's recipients. Eric?
Good morning. It's great to see everybody. Thank you for that call and response. It's really an honor to be here today, and an even bigger honor to present the second Michael F. Anthony Health Law Scholarship. This scholarship really holds special meaning for me, not only because of my personal connection to Mike, but also because of my affection for and admiration of AHLA. And the opportunity for this award to power the next generation of AHLA leaders and members. Let me take a minute to talk to you about Michael F. Anthony. Michael spent his professional life dedicated to healthcare organizations, particularly hospitals and health systems, by helping them navigate the complex world of health law regulation. Mike worked in-house for hospitals and later as a senior legal advisor at the American Hospital Association before joining McDermott, Will, and Emery at the time, now, as Mark said, McDermott, Will, and Schulte. He spent the remainder and really the bulk of his career at McDermott, and that's where I had the privilege to meet Mike and get to know him and benefit from his generosity. He led the firm's health law practice when I joined. He was a trusted advisor, not only to his partners, but to his clients around the country. And the whole reason why we have this scholarship is because he mentored and inspired scores of lawyers along the way, and I was one of them. Mike also loved AHLA. He served on its board of directors and as its president from 1999 to 2000. He was a fellow. He won the organization's most prestigious honor, the David J. Greenberg Award, for dedication to AHLA and commitment to the broader health law community. And he remained forever active in AHLA, long after leaving leadership in the organization. He came to every annual meeting, including his last in June of 2023. He died 2 months later. He was a role model in so many ways, including how to be both benefit from and give back to AHLA. So this scholarship was established initially by his partners, colleagues, and friends at McDermott, who revered Mike for all that he gave to the firm and its community. establishing a scholarship at AHLA to help young people enter and thrive in health law and to have careers as professionally rewarding as Mike's was really a natural way to honor Mike. He loved health law. He loved AHLA. He loved the health law community, and he loved to mentor young people. This scholarship honors and celebrates all of those affections and passions, and the man who embodied them all consistently, enduringly, zealously, and generously throughout his life. So before we announce this year's winner, I want to thank those who made the scholarships possible, the donors. Many of you out there in the audience have given. The Anthony family, who is represented here today by Mike's daughter, have also been generous donors to the scholarship. Mike died in September of 2023, just 2 short years ago. And we stood this scholarship up very quickly after that. The goal was to establish AHLA's first endowed scholarship, where the corpus would remain protected and grow and fuel an increasing number of scholarships in increasing amounts into the future. And in just 2 short years, we have raised nearly $200,000. Your support is vital today, and we celebrate the direct impact of all of that generosity. So, studies show that as you sit here today, you will glance at your phone 205 times. If just one of those times, instead of checking your email or where you need to be for the next meeting or your Instagram account, you went to the AHLA website and clicked on that donate button and made a donation, no matter the amount, start to support this very important mission of AHLA. You would be playing a big role in the future. You would be perpetuating Mike's legacy and enabling the next generation of AHLA members to thrive in a career in health law. So now it is my honor to announce this year's scholarship winners. And for that, I want to invite up Mike's daughter, Erin Anthony, close friends who are here to also celebrate Mike, Mark, Pops, wherever you went off to, David, Nick, and others who are going to welcome and congratulate our scholars. If you would, please come on up here. And I will announce the 2 scholars. Okay. In addition to being grateful to the donors who helped build this scholarship, I'm also impressed with the number and quality of applicants. Mark talked a little bit about the rigorous criteria. In just 2 short years, not only do we have a lot of money on its way to funding the scholarship, but we had 18 very qualified health law students apply for the scholarship. 2 were awarded the Michael F. Anthony Scholarship. And the recipients of the scholarship have their expenses covered for this program, their travel, their lodging, the registration, meals, to begin to build a substantive foundation in health law, build relationships with and within AHLA, and build connections within the health law community that will serve them throughout their careers. This year's winners have shown exceptional promise in their studies and a clear passion for health law. And by winning this scholarship, they are getting a head start into their health law careers. So first, Janavi, if you would, please stand. Janavi Arun is a 2nd-year law student at the University of Houston Law Center. She has a passion for health law. Prior to law school, she worked as a public policy specialist at Aiken Gump. And this past summer, she worked as a 1L Polsinelli Common Spirit Healthcare Fellow. She currently serves as the Director of Communications and Membership Engagement for the Health Law Organization at her school. Congratulations to you, Jonathan. If you will. Excellent. Our next winner is Kyle Sadowski. Kyle is a third-year law student at the SMU Dedman School of Law. He clerked at a boutique healthcare law firm, and he is now AHLA's 2025 extern. Kyle, please come on up and accept your award. Excellent. Congratulations, Kyle, Genevieve. You guys are, it's great to see the future of AHLA represented in the two of you. So once again, congratulations to our recipients. Thank you to the Anthony family and friends who have made all of this possible. And we look forward to seeing great things from these two scholars and their future with AHLA. And I hope everybody here enjoys this day of the meeting. Congratulations.